So when we finish alphabets, the next thing will be Igbo numbers. And that's where you're going to learn your numbers. Okay? You learn your numbers to infinity, okay? You learn your numbers to billion, million, hundred. You need to know all of them. All right. So, but today, tata. Today means tata. Today means tata. I say, Jidechuku. Jidechuku kedo. I see Chidechuku. When I call your name, I want you to say Anam Eba.
Anum Eba.
Kedu ka imere Jidechuku?
Odima.
No, I want you to say Adem.
Adima.
Yes. So when somebody asks you a question direct, your answer should be not O. Okay? Adem ma. Okay, can you say that, Jidechuku?
Adi ma.
Adem ma.
Adem ma.
Good. Dalo. All right, so now I'm going to share the alphabets. Igbo alphabets. All right, Igbo alphabet.
Igbo P.
Mkpụrụ edemede Igbo. Mkpụrụ edemede Igbo. So that's what we're gonna do today. And today is 24. All right. Mkpụrụ edemede Igbo. Okay, so I'm going to share a page. Everybody pay attention. I don't want you to do any other thing. All you need to do is watch the screen and listen to me. Don't talk. Don't play around. Just listen. Don't write anything. The only time I want you to write something, the reason I want you to come to class with a paper or a notebook and a pen or pencil is just for you to write down something in case if you have to ask me a question. Because I don't allow anybody to ask question until the end. Okay, I'll give you a chance to ask questions. But when the lecture is going on, no talking, no doing any other thing, just listen and pay attention. Okay? If you pay close attention, you will learn a lot today. Today, we're going to do alphabet. Mkpụrụ edemede Igbo. We're not doing numbers today. We're doing just alphabet. We're doing just alphabet. Mkpụrụ Igbo alphabet means mkpụrụ edemede Igbo. So that's what it's called. And Igbo alphabet. Okay, wait. I'm going to minimize because I want you to see what I'm saying. Okay, so I'm the only one on the screen now. Because I want everybody to see me and see how I move my mouth, how I pronounce the letters. Okay? So you need to learn to pronounce it. When I sound it, you sound it yourself. And when I post it, your job is to learn it. Because we're not going to spend time sit here until everybody learns how to pronounce it. No, you need to make our time and listen to I will post the recording. You listen to it and learn how to pronounce it. Okay. All right. So let me make sure that we're recording this. Okay. So we're recording it. And after class, I will post it. I'll post the class note and post the recording. Okay. We have 36. 36 means iri atọ na isi. Iri atọ na isi. That's what 36 means. Iri atọ na isi. So we have 36 alphabets in Igbo alphabets. But in English alphabets, we have 26. So in Igbo one, we have extra 10 because of the compounding letters. You see that? Now we have 8 vowels. Okay? We have that 6 alphabet. In that 36 alphabet, we have 8 vowels. Okay? And we have 9 blends. And you see how I put it here? And we also have 19 consonants. Okay? Just single ones. Now, I want you to see the Igbo alphabets. And when I sound it, I want you to sound it yourself. And I'm going to mute everybody because I don't want the noise. So I'm going to mute everybody. When I want you to ask questions, then I'm going to unmute everybody. All right. So, we have A, and we have B. We have Ch. CH together is Ch. If you look at it, you see that C is not alone. So we don't have C, but we have CH. We have Ch. We have D. We have E. We have F. Okay? Now pay attention. A, B, Ch, D, F. This is the first line. You have to learn to pronounce them, okay? I want you to learn to pronounce them. I don't want you to memorize it because memorizing it is not knowing it. I want you to know how to pronounce each letter so that whenever I call any letter and say, how do you pronounce it? You'll be able to pronounce it. But when you memorize it, when I say, okay, how do you pronounce the R, which is re? Because you didn't learn how to sound it, then you start singing. No, that's why I don't want you to go ahead and memorize. Memorizing it, I want you to do is learning how to sound the letter. That's and who is the person writing on the screen? Did I tell you, Jidechuku? Did I tell you not to touch anything? Just listen to me. Stop writing on the screen. Don't do that. Please, keep your hands to yourself. Don't touch the screen. A, B, C, D, E, F. Now, line 1. Now we're going to go to line 2. G, W. CGB is W. GB is W. GH is RE. RE. GW is W. Watch my mouth. W. H is K. Now we have 2 I's, okay? The first I is A. It's lighter than the second one. And the first I has just 1 dot on top. The second one should have on top and in the bottom. Okay? The first I is A. Now coming to line 3. A, which is the I with a dot on top and a dot underneath. It's A is deeper. The first I is A, is light. The second one, the dot on top, the dot underneath is A. Now, J. K. Wait. Watch my mouth. Wait. You're going to make the sound with the windpipe, the inner throat, not your mouth. Wait. 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 Now, KW is quick. Quick. L. Le. Now, line 4. Me. Ni. Mwe is NW. Mwe. NY is sound this way. Nye. Nye. Now the N with a dash or maybe the dot on top is ngo. Like when you're trying to say ngo miri, which is drink water. Ngo miri, drink water. Okay? Ngo. Ngo means drink. Ngo, drink. This N, that's how you start to pronounce it, okay? Ngo. Ngo. That's how you pronounce this N with a dot. Ngo. Okay? Now the O, we have two O's. This O is a regular one, no dot. O. O. Now the O with a dot is O. O. See, the regular O without a dot is O. The one with a dot is O. Now, P, P, Re, Re, Se, Se, She, She. We barely use this alphabet. But sometimes when you're trying to say, Ochigin, some dialects, some people will say, Ochigene, instead of Osegene. Some people use the S, some people use the C, SH. Oshe, Ose. He said, or she said, Ose, Mobo Oshe, depending on your dialect. Now, T is Te, Te. Now, line 6. U. If you see now, we have two U's, two U's here. We have U. Now, the U with a dot is O. Regular U without a dot, U. The one with a dot, O. V. We. Ye. Z. I'm going to do all of them now, okay? A. B. She. D. E. F. G. W. R. W. K. E. E. J. K. W. W. Le. Me. Ne. Nwe. Nye. Ngo. O. O. P. Re. Se. She. Te. O. P. Re. Se. She. Te. U. O. V. We. Ye. Z. U. O. V. We. Ye. Z. That's how you sound the Igbo alphabet. And what I want you to learn is go listen to it, okay? Listen to the recording and keep sounding it yourself until you learn how to sound them. Because if you don't know your alphabets, you won't be able to pronounce Igbo names, you won't be able to pronounce Igbo words. You have to be able to pronounce them, okay? You have to be able to pronounce them. For example, the ones that are two, like GB is B, GH is Re, GW, We. So you need to learn, listen to the sound and then learn to sound them, all right? And then the next thing we're gonna do next week too is Igbo numbers. I want you to pay attention to your Igbo numbers. You need to know your Igbo numbers as well. We're going to touch base on the Igbo numbers, okay? Now, when you look at the Igbo numbers here, 0, which is number 0, O, okay, is Oro, 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 Oro. If you pay attention here, I broke it in syllables, okay? It's a syllabus here. Oro, Oro. But once you learn how to pronounce it, you join it together. Oro, 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 Oro. But you learning it now, you take it easy because Igbo words, you need to pronounce, sound it. Okay? Oro, Oro. Now, Oro, 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 Oro. That's what 0 is, okay? Now, otu. Some dialects say ofu, otu. Some will say ofu. Abuo, some will say ebuo. It is still okay. It is still okay. Ato, you can also say eto, which is fine. Ano, maọbụ eno. Ise, isi. Asa, some people say esa. It's still okay. Asato, maọbụ esato. Now, 9, we have 3 ways to pronounce 9. Just whichever one you think is okay. Use it. Itenane, itolu, maọbụ itegete. If you like saying itenan, use itenan. If you like saying itolu, use itolu. If you like saying itegete, use itegete. Okay? So your job now, before next week, is to learn these numbers. Okay? Learn your alphabets. Learn your numbers. All right? You have to know your numbers. If you don't know your numbers, you won't be able to learn. Say, when I ask you a question, when it comes to numbers, you may not be able to answer it. That's why it's very important to learn it. So you need to learn otu, abo, ato, ano, ise, isi, asa, isato, itenani, iri. Now, once you learn numbers 1 to 10, the next thing you need to learn is 11 to 20. But if you don't know 1 to 10, you won't be able to plug it because all it is just you plugging in the numbers, okay? When you learn 1 to 10, the rest is plugging in the numbers. You plug 1, okay? With 10, okay? Iri, na, otu. You see that? So all you need to learn is just 1 to 10, know it, so you can plug the numbers. Irina, otu. Irina, abuo. Irina, ato. Irina, ano. Irina, ise. Now you keep counting until Irina, itenani. Now you get to 20. Irigini, abuo. It's not Irina abuo. It's iri abuo. Iri abuo means 20. That's why it's very important you know this, okay? Iri abuo. And then you start plugging in 1 all the way to 9 again. Iri abuo na otu. Iri abuo na abuo. Iri abuo na ato. Until you get to 30. Then iri gini ato. Don't forget, you count 1 to 10. 10 is what? Iri. Now start counting. Iri na otu, which is 11. Iri na abuo, which is 12. Count all the way until you get to 20. Then you say, iri abuo, iri abuo. You get to 30. Iri ato. 40. Iri ano. See it here. Iri ano. 50. Iri ise. 60. Iri isi. 70. Iri asa. You keep counting until you get to 90. Iri itenani. That's why you need to know your numbers at least 1 to 10. Because if you don't know 1 to 10, you wouldn't even be able to know what is 60, what is 70, what is 20. You need to know them for you to be able to know what these numbers are. Once you get to 90, iri itenani. Now start counting. Iri itenani na otu. Just the same way you counted 11, 12, or you counted 21, 31, 41, so something like that. Now, 100. Your 100 is nare. You need to know all these whole numbers. Once you know 1 to 10, I keep repeating because I want you to pay attention. Once you know 1 to 10, okay? Now, you need to know that you can also plug 1 to 10, 2 to 10, 3 to 10, which is 11. Irina otu. Irina abuo. You count until you get to Irini tenan, which is 19. Then 20. Iri abuo. Not Irina abuo. It is Iri Abụọ. Don't call 20 iri na abụọ. 20 is iri abụọ. If you call 20 iri abụọ, you are wrong. Iri abụọ is right. But if you call 20 iri na abụọ, it is 12. Iri na abụọ is 12, but iri abụọ is 20. Now, learn all your whole numbers. 30, iri atọ, iri anọ, iri ise, iri isii. Keep going, okay? Iri asaa, iri asatọ, iri itenaani. Now, 100 is what? Narị. So, 100 will be narị. Okay? The ise I wrote here is the way they pronounce it in the olden days. Our grandfathers, our great ancestors, they call it ise. Okay, but we don't use those numbers anymore. So it's nari. Nari. Okay? So we're going to call it nari. So 100 is nari. Make sure you know them. Now 1,000. Let's back up. 100, it is, if you want to count 101, it is the same way you count 11, like irina otu, irina abo. So 101 is narina otu, narina abo, narina ato. So you don't need to spend time learning it 1 to 100. No, just learn 1 to 10 and then learn how to count from 11 to 20. The same way you counted from 11 to 20, it's the same way you count from 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 100 to 1,000. This way. That's why you don't need to spend time. I'm giving you the formula now. Use this formula, and that's how you'll be able to answer anything in numbers. Okay? Now, when you count 101 and count all the way to 1,000, 1,000 is cuckoo. But now, mind you, if I say 200, 200 is nari abụọ. Okay? Nari abụọ. That's what 200 is. Nari abụọ. If I say 300, nari atọ. If I say 700, nari asa. Okay? The same way. The same way. And parents in this forum, please pay attention because some kids here cannot read. It's your job to help them. And that's why I try to explain it this way. Okay, now you get to 1,000. 1,000 is what? Cuckoo. Cuckoo. Don't forget, 100 is what? Nari. 1,000. Cuckoo. 1 million. Nde. 1 million. Nde. 1 billion, Jerry. 1 billion, Jerry. Right? Now, infinity is something that is uncountable. You can't count it. Like sand. You can't count sand. You can't count water, right? You can't. There are things you cannot count. So we call it agotagi onu. Agotagi onu. It means you can't count it. There's no way you can count sand. There's no way you can count air. There's no way you can count water. You can't do that. So we call them infinity. Okay? All right. So if you're counting, pay attention again. You must know 1 to 10. Because if you don't know 1 to 10, you won't be able to plug in the numbers. When you're counting 11 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. So now pay attention. Know 1 to 10, and then know your whole numbers. Okay? 20, 30, all the way to 100. 100, it changes to nari. You count 100 all the way to 1,000. It changed to cuckoo. Now, cuckoo, which is 1,000 to 1 million, it changed to nde. You keep counting to billion, and then it's injury. Because you need to know this. Why? Because I may ask you a question and say, what is 2,270 something thousand? You have to answer. So, but if you follow this formula, you should be able to answer it without any problem. Some of you here are pros. Some of you can answer these questions. And guess what? We have event coming up this year in June. And we're going to have a contest in Igbo. Remember, some of you won the contest the last 2 years. We do our event every 2 years. We have one coming up this year, June. We're going to have cooking contest, number contest, spelling contest, dance, everything. Name them. So you need to join in one of them. So get ready. You have to start now getting ready. All right? Okay, so I'm going to open up for a question. Omoronye nwere ajụjụ. Now, this is how we go about it. And you must learn it here. Now, before you ask a question, you're going to say, Ahambo. My name is. So you're going to say, a second. Ahambo. Wait. I don't know why I said like that. Come on. So you're going to say, Aham. Oh, what is it doing? This. So I want you to say, Aham. Bo. Now you say your name, okay? And then, enwere ajụjụ means I have a question. Enwere ajụjụ means I have a question. Every one of you must learn to say it before we end today. Enwere ajụjụ. Enwere ajụjụ. Enwere ajụjụ means I have a question. Okay? I have a question. And then you can say, my question is, ajụjụ bo. Right? I keep emphasizing on this because we have new ones. We gotta have them learn too. All right? So, okay, ajụjụ bo. My question is, okay, ajụjụ bo. It means my question is. And then I will allow you to ask your question in English. So every one of you, when I call your name, you tell me, you say, my name is, it means you say your name. Ahambo. Enwere m ajụjụ. Ajụjụ mbo. That's what everybody is going to tell me. When I call your name, if I don't call you, purposely didn't want to call you because I know you know how to say it, okay? All right, so I'm going to call everybody's name now. If I don't call you, don't worry about it, please. So I'm going to stop sharing a page now because I want you to know how to say it. All right. Arinze na Adanna. Arinze, I want you to say, Ahambo. You tell me your name, okay? And I want you to say, enwere m ajụjụ. Ajụjụ mbo. So you need to say 3 of them, Arinze. Well, go ahead, Arinze. Arinze, gwa m aha gị. Arinze, gịnị bụ aha gị? What is your name? Arinze, okay, let me unmute everybody. I'm going to unmute everybody. Okay? When I call your name, I want you to tell me how to say it. So I'm going to unmute everybody. Now, Arinze, unmute yourself. Arinze, unmute.
Lindsay?
Yeah. Arinze, how do you say your name?
My name is
Now
Arinze
say it in Igbo. How do you say your name in Igbo?
Ahambu.
What is it?
Arinze
Uh-huh. Now, how do you say I have a question? Chisom Norane. Chisom Norane. Sit down. Chisom, sit down. Come on. Norane, Chisom. No lying down. Okay, Arinze, how do you say? I have a question. I want you to say, "Enwere m ajụjụ."
Enwere ajụjụ.
And then I want you to say, "Ajụjụ mbụ."
Ajụjụ mbụ.
It means my name is. So I need you to learn how to say 3 of them, okay? Okay, Arinze?
Okay.
All right, Adanna, I want you to tell me your name in Igbo.
Abu.
Aha m bụ Adanna. Can you say that? Adanna, can you say aha m bụ Adanna?
Ahambu. Ahambu Adanna.
Aha m bụ Adanna. Okay. Now, can you say, enwere m ajụjụ? Adanna, I want you to speak up. Enwere m ajụjụ.
Enwere ajụjụ.
Ajụjụ mbụ.
Ajụjụ mbụ.
Can you say ajụjụ mbụ?
Ajụjụ mbụ.
Yeah, that's how you say it, okay? I want you to learn how to say that. Before you ask question in the class, that's how you're going to say that, okay?
Okay.
Dalo, dalo, let me get another
Dalo.
person. Email, Chudo. No. Chudo, I want you to tell me your name.
Ahambu Chudo.
Hmm? How do you say I have a question?
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Now, how do you say my question is? Ajụjụ mbụ.
Ajụjụ mbụ.
Okay, dalo. Chidera. Chidera, how do you say your name? Chidera. Is Chidera there, Stephanie? Stephanie, I need you to unmute. Onyema, is Stephanie and Chidera there? I need you to unmute. Okay, it looks like they're not able to unmute. Somto, unmute yourself. Tell me how to say your name in Igbo. Somto, how do you say my name is? Somto. Somto, can you say Ahambo Somto?
Ahambu Somto.
Now, how do you say I have a question? I want you to say Enwere m ajụjụ.
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Is Somto talking or somebody else talking? Somto, are you the one talking?
Yes.
Okay, I want you to say Enwere m ajụjụ.
Enwere m ajụjụ.
No, enwere m ajụjụ.
Enwere m ajụjụ.
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 Okay. Can you say aha m bụ Somto?
Ahambu Somto.
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Enwere ajụjụ.
Ajụjụ mbụ.
Ajụjụ mbụ.
Good. It means my question is, okay? Dalo,
Okay.
dalo, Somto. Dalo. Is Stephanie back? Stephanie, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, Stephanie, how do you say your name in Igbo?
Humble Stephanie.
How do you say I have a question?
Me Juju.
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Me Juju.
No. Enwere m ajụjụ.
Ajuju.
Ajụjụ m bụ.
Ajujumbo.
There you go. So, enwere m ajụjụ means I have a question. My question is means ajụjụ m bụ. Okay, daalụ. Chidera, is Chidera there?
Yes.
Chidera, tell me your name in Igbo.
Humble Chidera.
Okay, I have a question in Igbo.
Ajuju.
My question is, how do you say it in Igbo?
Ajujumbu.
Daalụ. Now, Onyema, your turn. Onyema, go on. Onyema. Stefan, is Onyema there?
Yes.
Well, I need Onyema to talk.
I'm talking.
Okay. Tell me your name in Igbo.
Humble Stephanie.
No, I thought I'm talking to Onyema. Is Onyema Stephanie?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, that's good. Because I saw 3 names there. Okay, no problem. Chizaba. So Chizaba here. Chizaba ngwa. Gwa m aha gị n'Igbo. Tell me your name in Igbo.
Aha m bụ Chizoba.
How do you say I have a question?
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Then how do you say my question is?
Ajụjụ m bụ.
There you go. Daalụ. Jidechukwu. Jidechukwu ngwa. Now go on. Tell me I have a question. And then how about my question is? Okay, daalụ. Praise the great and the Amara. But I want Praise to say it first. Praise, tell us your name.
Humble Praise.
Go on. How do you say I have a question?
Enwere ajụjụ.
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Enwere ajụjụ.
And then ajụjụ m bụ.
Ajụjụ m.
Ajụjụ m bụ.
Ajụjụ bụ.
Daalụ. Now, great. Go ahead.
Okay.
Great. Go ahead.
Abu great.
Aha m bụ. Great. I want you to say aha m bụ.
Humble great.
Now I have a question.
Enwere
Ajụjụ.
ajụjụ.
Now ajụjụ m bụ.
Ajụjụ m bụ.
Daalụ. Great. Amara. Good. Now, how do you say I have a question?
Ajụjụ.
Good. And then, how do you say my question is?
Ajụjụ m bụ.
Good job. All right. The rest of you, I didn't ask you because you know it. These are new ones. If you know you're new and I didn't ask you a question, please raise your hand. Welia kagelu. Welia kagelu means raise your hand. Okay, Nkebungwa, tell me how to say your name. Nkem, go on. How do you say your name in Igbo?
Humble Nkem.
Okay, how do you say I have a question?
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Enwere ajụjụ.
Now, how do you say my question is?
Ajụjụ
Good, darling, Kem, darling. All right, who else? If you know, I didn't ask you. If you know you don't know how to say it and you want me to ask you, raise your hand. Because I want you to know how to say it. Whenever you're going to ask me a question in this class, you have to say these three things. Okay? And we have other things you're going to be saying, but you need to learn this one first. Okay. So now that everybody knows how to say it, does anybody have a question? Anything you want to ask me before we close today? We have 5 more minutes. Uche, ngwa Uche.
Aha m bụ Uchenna. Enwere m ajụjụ. Ajụjụ m bụ
Good. Go ahead.
when you said that there's going to be a competition, right?
Yes, we're gonna have a competition. Yes, and you're gonna win something.
Oh, what are the prizes?
The prizes, the committee will decide on the prizes. Last 2 years, I think last 4 years, I think the first prize was, I believe, I don't know if it was 200, the second prize 100, the third prize 75 or 50. Now, last 2 years, for the numbers, okay, the number contest, I think they won award. I believe it was a award. We gave them an award, so I forgot, but it was award. So the cooking contest, the spelling contest, all these categories. So you win something, but the committee will decide once we have all the categories that the people are going to compete on. Then we decide what the award is, the prizes are going to be. Okay.
Will it be online or in real life?
No, you can, like we did some online for those who won't be able to come, but the finalists they must come to Atlanta.
Oh, okay,
so
sure.
we did some online, but we did some live on the event today. So people will see them because the number contest, we collected the numbers from the audience so that they will know that the teacher didn't give you all the number to what to answer. So they give us the number, we ask you the numbers there. So that's how unique it is. It's really fun. So if you want to be in the number contest or spelling contest, you need to start now, Uchenna. Okay?
I will.
You need to start, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. How do you say thank you in Igbo, Uchenna?
Daalụ.
Email. Good, okay. Chizitere Akagi no n'elu. Go ahead.
Afọ m bụ Chizitere Ihuakwuchi. Awara m ajụjụ. Ajụjụ m bụ
Good, go ahead.
in the contest in June, you said there's a cooking competition?
Yeah, we're gonna have cooking competition, fashion show. We see whose outfit and all those things. Spelling contest, number contest, all kinds, dance contest, anything anybody can come up with, singing contest. We have all this.
So what?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
What things should you cook? Like, do you cook anything?
Anything you want to cook, if you want to show us how, but that one, we do it, you send your video, explain it in Igbo. All your narration should be in Igbo. If you're cooking moi moi, or if you're cooking jollof rice, or if you're frying plantain, you need to tell us how to do it. If video yourself and send it in. But all the judges will judge is how you are explaining it in Igbo. Okay? And then you're going to win something, right? Anything you want to cook. Anything you want to cook and explain it in Igbo. That's what we want. Okay? It's
Dalo.
Email. Any other person with a question? Great or praise. Go ahead.
Never mind.
Oh, okay. Udo, Chudo, go ahead. Chudo, your hand is up. Chudo, are you here? Okay,
Yes.
Chudo, are you here?
Yes.
Well, go ahead and ask your. You know what you're supposed to say before you ask the question.
Uh-huh.
Mhm. Go ahead.
Humble Chudo.
The second one.
Humble Chudo. Chudo. Ajujumbo.
I want you to say enwere m ajụjụ.
Enwere ajụjụ.
Now say the third one. Ajụjụ m.
Ajujumbo.
Go ahead. Go ahead, Chudo.
How do you say I love you in Igbo?
Ahụrụ m gị n'anya. Can you say ahụrụ m gị n'anya? Okay, now let's take it easy. Whoa. Should I want you to say ahụrụ m gị?
Huh?
Ahụrụ m gị n'anya.
N'anya.
Ahụrụ m gị n'anya.
Ahụrụ m gị n'anya.
Yes, if you want to tell your mom or dad or sibling or grandma or uncle and say, I love you, I want you to say, ahụrụ m gị n'anya. Can you say that?
Ahụrụ gị n'anya.
Good. All right, now, Jidechukwu, your question. Jidechukwu, unmute yourself. You're still muted.
If I know how to say the numbers 1 through.
No, say your name first. Say, I have a question. My question is, you need to say all of them in Igbo. Come on, Jidechukwu. Say your name first. Jidechukwu. Aha m bụ Jidechukwu. Come on, Jidechukwu. Jidechukwu, you're still muted. Go ahead. Say your name.
Humble Jidechukwu.
Huh? What is the second one? I have a question. Enwere m ajụjụ.
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Ajụjụ m bụ.
Ajụjụ m bụ.
Okay, now go ahead and ask your question.
I could say the numbers 1 through 10.
You can say the numbers 1 to 10, right?
Yes.
Now, you need to learn to say it 1 to 20 now. So learn to say, if you know how to say it 1 to 10, now I need you to start saying from 11 to 20, which is Irina, Otu, Irina, Abo. You need to learn all the numbers and learn it till 100. Remember the formula, how I told you to learn it? You're not going to sit and learn, start counting from 1 to 100. But once you learn 1 to 20, and know your whole numbers, and know 100, and know 1,000, and know million and billion, you are good to go. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
How do you say thank you in Igbo?
Daru.
Imela. All right.
Daru imela.
Ndewo. Okay, so everyone, I'm going to post the class notes and the recording. And when you get it, for those of you, remember a lot of you don't have phone. You're not in the forum. Your parents are the ones to see the homework, print it out and give it to you, or let you listen to it, okay? Always ask your parents, did Auntie post anything? Did the Igbo teacher post anything? Because I need you to learn it before you come back next week, all right? And also, if you want to ask me a question, you are free to ask me a question anytime. If you don't have phone, ask your mom or dad and say, I want to ask my teacher a question. You can text me, okay? All right. Now, this is how we say, see you next time. The way you say it in Igbo is, Kemesiao.
Kemesiano.
Okay.
Kemesiano.
All right. All right.
Kemesiano.
Audio.